every person on this planet plant one tree, native to native. Native species is custom designed into the native ecosystem, and the tree is able to do something extraordinary, that the trees and the forests farm the sun. They are the great farmers of the sun. They drink the sun into their green bodies, and they pull the carbon into their skeletons, and that is called carbon banking. We have to hold hands across the world and save the forest, plant the forest, save what we have, replant the forest. So they are our friends, and we never knew that. In the ancient wisdom, they knew that the friends of the human family were the trees.